Atongoria kuma kaunti cia rugongo rwa bururi ni mathiete na mbere na guthingiriria thirikari yanirire ng'aragu iria iri kuo ta ugwati wa bururi. Akiaria hindi iria araheanaga uteithio wa irio kuri aikari a 15 gicigo-ini kia Garissa Township, mubunge Dekobaro augite ng'aragu ino ithiete na mbere na kwihirira o uria riua rirathie na mbere na gwakana.
Hii janga mahali imefika, na pia nauliza serikali na the president in particular, kama anaweza declare hii maneno national disaster ndo to attract more funding from partners kwa hii region. It is very difficult hii kila siku kama elected leaders we are under a lot of pressure to come out and give a hand to our people, and you also know our limitations.
Baro oretie honge iria iranyagia irio itigirire ni ciakinyia uteithio uyu kuri ona andu aria maikaraga matauni-ini, kuona onao ni maratangika ni wagi wa irio.
Ile watu mnaona Garissa town si ati ni wanaishi tu hapa, they are also pastoralists. Wanyama yao iko hapa nje, na hiyo wanyama yote imeisha, na wale ambao hawako town wameanza kuingia town because wamekuwa refugees ya climate. As a result of the problem of the climate, ndio wamekuwa refugees, so wanaishi here.
Munini wa commissioner county-ini no Solomon Chesut augite thirikari ni irathie na mbere na gutengerania kuhe uteithio wa irio aria othe mahutitio, riri muigana wa aria marabatara uteithio urathie wambatite.
The state now in our sub county is at alert stage. We have not reached an alarm stage. That is why we want to make sure that we put measures in place to make sure we don't regenerate to the alarm stage, just to maintain the alert stage and make sure that food is available for our people.
Teithio uyu uheanitwo ni bengi ya KCB guku muingi kambuni na ikundi citari cia thirikari cikiurio cinyitanire guthararia mari ugwati-ini wa ng'aragu ino.
What they can kusaidia hii watu, najua mnajaribu, serikali inajaribu, to be honest. There is a lot of programs running with partners, na wajaribu tafuta resources ili to come in and give a helping hand.
The mapping is there, and we have known the names. Like today we have 250 households who are being given this relief food.
Andu matanyihiire milioni 5 niyo mahutitio ni ng'aragu guothe bururi-ini. Gerifo Inoro TV, Getu wa Ngari Maria wa Muigana.